Roger, what you shooting?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Josh. I got the sales pitch for you right here. Right here.
All right.
This is an AudioQuest Rocket 88 speaker cable, no frills. Each Rocket 88 cable is hand terminated by Audio Advisor's expert terminator, Randy, who has over 20 years of termination experience. Each cable is hand tested to ensure quality. Your cables are shipped in a simple sealed plastic bag instead of a fancy box. Hence the name, No Frills Termination. You won't get a fancy box, but you'll get a great sounding cable at an unheard of bargain price. There it is.
I'm sold.
There it is.
I'm gonna buy 8.